Good morning, fam. You've already conquered the hardest part, showing up. In just 5 minutes, we'll awaken your body, stretch out every tight spot, and fill you with energy to take on the day. No equipment needed, just a mat or soft surface and a little space to move. Each stretch will focus on releasing tension, improving flexibility, and grounding your energy. By the end, you'll feel refreshed, strong, and ready to crush your day. Let's hit the mat. Let's ease into this routine with a gentle flow between child's pose and cobra stretch. Two stretches that bring both relaxation and energy. Begin in child's pose. Knees wide, big toes touching, and hips resting back towards your heels. Extend your arms forward and lower your forehead to the mat. Inhale deeply, letting your back expand. And as you exhale, slide forward into cobra stretch. Lower your hips to the mat. Press into your palms and lift your chest, opening up your back and shoulders. Flow back into child's pose and repeat. Move with your breath, creating a rhythm that feels natural. This dynamic movement lengthens your spine, opens the chest, and loosens up your back and hips, setting the tone for the rest of the routine. If you're a beginner, feel free to hold each position longer and move slower. If you need more for challenge, deepen the stretch in cobra by pressing your chest higher and tucking your chin in child's pose for a more intense back stretch. Take one last glide forward into cobra and back into child's pose. Feel your body waking up as we move into the next stretch. Time to stretch and strengthen the entire backside of your body with downward dog, the ultimate full body energizer. From all fours, press your hips up and back, creating an inverted V shape with your body. Keep your hands shoulder width apart and your feet hip width apart. Press your heels toward the mat. They don't have to touch. And let your head relax between your arms. If you're feeling tight, pedal your feet, bending one knee at a time to loosen your calves and hamstrings. Downward dog is going to stretch your hamstrings, calves, and spine while strengthening your arms and shoulders, leaving you grounded and energized. If you're a beginner, feel free to bend your knees slightly to reduce the pressure on your hamstrings and lower back. If you want a challenge, push your heels closer to the floor and lift your hips higher for a deeper stretch. Take a deep breath here, letting your body lengthen with every exhale. Hold for a moment before we bring in some strength with our next move. Let's fire up your core and improve your balance with the bird dog stretch. It's all about control and connection. Come down to all fours, keeping your wrists under shoulders and knees under hips. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg back, creating a straight line from fingertips to toes. Hold for a breath, then bring your elbow and knee together under your body. Inhale to extend again, moving slowly and with control. This move activates your core, strengthens your back, and stretches your hips and shoulders, building stability and coordination. If you're a beginner, keep your toes on the floor for added stability as you extend your leg. If you're advancing in this stretch and need more for challenge, add a slight pause at the top of each extension to challenge your balance and core further. Finish one last extension and get ready to switch sides to balance out the body. Switch sides now to find balance and symmetry in your body. It's all about staying strong and steady. Extend your left arm forward and your right leg back, keeping your core engaged and your movements controlled. Inhale as you reach. Exhale as you bring your elbow and knee together. Keep your movements smooth and deliberate. This side strengthens your core and back while stretching the opposite hip and shoulder, leaving you feeling more stable and aligned. If you're a beginner, do the same thing you did on the right side. Keep your movements smaller to maintain balance. If you need more of a challenge, increase the range of motion, fully extending and contracting with precision. Take one last extension, feeling balanced and strong, before we bring it all together with the final flow. Let's end with the spine awakening movement. Cat-cow will leave you feeling loose, flexible, and ready to take on the day. Start on all fours, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone toward the sky for cow. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin and tailbone for cat. Continue flowing with your breath, letting each movement stretch and release tension from your spine. This gentle flow is going to increase spinal mobility, loosening tight muscles and creating a sense of calm and focus to start your day. If you're a beginner, move slowly, keeping your range of motion small. If you need more of a challenge and you feel like a pro, deepen the arch in cow and round further in cat for a more intense stretch. Finish your last round of cat-cow, letting your spine settle into alignment and your breath return to its natural rhythm. And just like that, fam, you've completed your 5-minute morning routine. You've stretched, strengthened, and set the tone for an amazing day ahead. If you're feeling energized, smash that subscribe button and grab your free customizable fitness program in the description. Let's keep moving, stay flexible, and crush the day ahead. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.